How I earned $30,000 from YouTube, without showing my face, using my voice, or even creating videos from scratch. Yes, you read that right. I've earned over $30,000 from YouTube, and I did it without recording myself, speaking into a mic, or editing complex videos. I made money purely by using YouTube's collab feature, and if you're looking for a way to start earning on YouTube without being on camera or creating original videos, this might just be what you've been searching for. Here's how it works, step by step. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. If you're new and don't know how to set one up the right way, drop a comment below, and I'll make a detailed tutorial just for you. Trust me, creating your channel the right way is key to getting your first video to go viral. Step 2. Choose a niche you love. Pick a topic or niche you're interested in. It could be tech, motivation, pets, productivity, facts, news, anything that keeps you curious and engaged. This keeps things fun and sustainable in the long run. Step 3. Use YouTube's collab feature. Once your channel is ready and your settings are properly configured, go to the right-hand side of YouTube Studio and click on the collab option. You'll see a few choices. Select collab and choose where in the video you want the collaboration to begin. This lets you reuse and remix existing videos on YouTube where collaboration is enabled. It's 100% within YouTube's terms. No copyright issues if done correctly. Step 4. No face. No problem. If you're camera shy or simply want to remain anonymous, you can use videos of your pet, nature, or even animation instead of showing your own face. This method is great for faceless channels, and many creators are thriving like this. But remember, you'll need to do this process for each video, and make sure your content remains engaging. Step 5. Uploading the video. Once your video is ready, use an eye-catching title. Add 3 relevant hashtags. Only upload 1 video per day, to avoid being flagged as spam and to give each video room to grow. Bonus tip. In my next video, I'll show you how to monetize a faceless and voiceless news channel in just 10 days. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out.